Remember when 3D printers sounded like this? Loud motors, high-pitched whining, constant vibration. For years, many makers assumed noise was simply part of 3D printing. Then, TMC stepper drivers arrived. Suddenly, printers became dramatically quieter, smoother, and more precise. But what exactly are TMC drivers, and are they really worth upgrading? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's start. What is a stepper driver? Before we talk about TMC drivers, we need to understand what a stepper driver actually does. Your printer's motherboard cannot directly control stepper motors. Instead, it sends commands to a stepper driver. The driver then converts those commands into precise electrical signals that move the motor. Every movement of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and extruder depends on a stepper driver. Think of it as the translator between the motherboard and the motors. Why older drivers were so noisy? Older drivers such as A4988 and DRV8825 move motors using relatively simple current control. The result? Vibrations, resonance, and high-frequency whining. This creates the classic robotic sound many older printers make. The motors are still accurate, but they're far from smooth. What makes TMC drivers different? TMC stands for trinamic motion control. These drivers use advanced current control algorithms that produce much smoother motor movement. Instead of abrupt electrical pulses, the motor receives cleaner, more refined signals. Benefits include lower noise, reduced vibration, smoother motion, and better print quality. Many users are shocked by how quiet a printer becomes after upgrading. StealthChop explained. One of the most famous TMC features is StealthChop. This operating mode is specifically designed for silent movement. When enabled, motor noise drops dramatically, vibrations decrease, and printer operation becomes much quieter. In many cases, the cooling fans become louder than the stepper motors. For home offices and bedrooms, this is a huge advantage. SpreadCycle explained. Another important feature is SpreadCycle. Unlike StealthChop, SpreadCycle focuses on torque, precision, and high-speed performance. Many users choose StealthChop for quiet operation and SpreadCycle for maximum performance. Modern firmware often allows switching between these modes automatically. Popular TMC drivers. TMC 2208, the first driver that made silent printing popular. Benefits: easy upgrade, quiet operation, and reliable performance. TMC 2209, currently one of the most popular options. Advantages: higher current capability, better cooling, StallGuard support, and sensorless homing. For many hobbyists, this is the sweet spot. TMC 5160, designed for demanding applications, used in high-speed printers, large machines, and professional setups, offers exceptional performance but at a higher cost. Sensorless homing explained. One of the coolest TMC features is sensorless homing. Instead of using traditional limit switches, the driver detects when the motor encounters resistance. This allows the printer to find its home position without physical end stops. Advantages: fewer wires, cleaner installation, and less hardware. Although many users still prefer physical switches for maximum reliability. Can TMC drivers improve print quality? The answer is sometimes. TMC drivers cannot magically fix poor calibration, But smoother motion can reduce motor resonance, vibration artifacts, and mechanical noise. This can help produce cleaner surfaces on some printers. The biggest improvement most users notice is still the dramatic reduction in noise. Pro tip: before upgrading drivers, make sure belts are properly tensioned, wheels are adjusted correctly, and frame bolts are tight. Mechanical issues often create more print artifacts than the drivers themselves. TMC drivers work best on an already well-tuned machine. TMC drivers transformed desktop 3D printing. They made printers quieter, smoother, and more advanced. Whether you're building a new machine or upgrading an older one, understanding TMC drivers helps you get the most from your printer. And once you've experienced silent printing, it's hard to go back. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.